Howdy folks, welcome back to Wonder Eats. Right now we are at Mercure Residence Hotel here in Putrajaya, and I'm just gonna show you guys how do we get from here to Alamanda Shopping Mall. Alright, let's go. So as we exit, there is a Bar.B.Q town, and then this is the center court, and there's Sukiya Hot Pot. This is where you drop off at the main entrance. So what we need to do is we can take the escalator up from here, which is up there, or you can walk on this pathway past Tea Leaf and Starbucks. So let's take this way, and on the way back we use the other route. So actually, as you can see, right across is Alamanda. It's a bakery here. Nice setup, and just right across, if you guys can see, is Starbucks. So cool. Perhaps we'll go there for breakfast. Let's see. Right, so that is where the pedestrian bridge we need to cross, and it's upstairs. So let's make our way there. And it connects all the way to Alamanda. First and foremost, we need to go up from here. Up this escalator, and then this is really cool. Just wanted to show you guys what a hall. A lot of weddings here under Bismillah Wedding Center. Look at that. So from here we need to go up one more floor. There you go. The opposite side of the escalator is not working, but thank God you can go up. There we go. So as you come up, you can see the gate or doorway to Alamanda. Do note that it's only open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Yeah. And to head down, you need to walk down the staircase. But yeah, that's Parkson. And then I just wanted to show you guys, that's Starbucks right there. And that's Shaftsbury. There's a McDonald's downstairs as well. Okay. So on this side is Mercure. Yeah. Can't see the building right now, but yes. So come, let's go. As you can see there, there's Alamanda Shopping Center. And from here, we have to walk down the stairs again. So it doesn't connect directly into the mall per se, unfortunately. But the good thing is still covered. And now you can finally see that this is Mercure, the Mercure Tower. All right. So interestingly, you need to cross this path, and this is not covered. So just a little bit until here, as you can see. And now we are back to being covered. So just a little tiny spot there that is not covered. Just do take note. This is the pickup spot. Alamanda. And of course you can walk inside here directly to Parkson, or you can walk further along to enter Alamanda proper. There you go. So here, to confirm, we are at the south entrance of Alamanda Shopping Center, Putrajaya. There you go. So alright, thanks guys for following us on this little walk to get from Mercure Hotel and also Shaftsbury at Putrajaya to Alamanda Shopping Center. Whew, what a walk. So hopefully if you guys like the video, please give it a like, subscribe of course, and do share it with your friends. Bye.